What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and in hands, finally, Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, of course, I do have my Apple Watch Ultra on right here. And today, this is just gonna be a quick unboxing. You know how we do it. I'm gonna use this for about a week or so, but I do wanna get it unboxed, get it paired up with my Fold 6, and just see how this thing really looks. We have not opened it yet. Still has the original seals on it. So today, we'll be opening this up and giving our first impressions. So let's go. All right, so here we go. Unboxing Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now I did have the classic 6, and this one is the white titanium, and of course you can see what color band we got back there behind that. We got that orange band. Like, this is gonna go perfectly together. Get this out. This is all that seems to be in the box, looks like. So put the box back together. I like the packaging this year. So the watch is separate, and we'll take all the paperwork off of that, get that open. And then when we get, I like it. I've been to Best Buy, I picked it up, I looked at it, and it's a little heavier in person. I'm not sure if theirs seemed to be the real one, but like, it feels a little bit heavier in person. So I'm gonna take any stickers off. Now this is also an LTE Wi-Fi connectivity version, so it's gonna do everything you need it to do. And I know I'm late to the party, y'all. Everybody's probably already seen this by now, but I have not unboxed it. So this is my personal experience with this. Now on the inside, we do get paperwork, of course. Let's see what all is in here. Let's see what we got. Okay, quick start. It's something heavy down in the bottom. So I'm thinking charger, wire, something heavy in here. There we go. We do have a wire. So USB type C, and we still laying it on this flat. I got like a ton of these laying around the house, so we still laying it on this piece to charge it. All right, so first things first, we got to go ahead and get this thing set up with this device, and I can talk about everything else while this is getting set up. But this is the power button up here. This is our menu button or action button, and then our back button down here. So I'm gonna hold down this power button just to see if it's got some juice in it, and there it goes. It is actually coming on. Now, with that being said, let's talk this. This is, of course, an orange band. Of course, we had to go out. We had to get the orange band, y'all. I almost had to wait until September to get this orange band. But this watch has a 47mm build to it. Get all that trash to the side. And this is the band. Of course, you know, being my favorite color, orange. Take that out. And it's already trying to pair up. So we're just gonna go ahead and go through the whole connection, and we'll confirm that those numbers match up while we talk about this band just a little bit. It's gonna update its own little software. Check your phone, downloading software. So it's doing its thing. So this band, it reminds me of the Apple Watch band, the Ocean band. It reminds me of that type of band, like a TPU rubberized type material. And let's look at these clamps, because I really got to see, like, none of my old watch bands are gonna work with this. So we are going to see how these just clamp on, and they just snap on. That's nice. It beats trying to fiddle around with some pins. Like, that's nice. That's gonna look good on my arm. We're waiting on this to kind of boot up. Let's show you some other items that we just got in. So Ringke was nice enough to send over, if we can get this open, if we can get this open. They were nice enough to send over a few items. So I actually peeked in here beforehand, but I didn't like go into like great detail into going into the, like, I don't even think I opened any of these boxes up, but let's see what we got. First off, this is a slim tempered glass combo pack, and this is the same thing, and this is the same thing as well. So it looks like these are all different color casings you can put on, and it comes with tempered glass screen protectors. Of course, we like all of this kind of stuff. Let's close this box back up, and let's see. We got an Alpine Clear from their collection. We got the matte black from their collection. We actually have the straight clear and the titanium black. And then all four of these combo packs, come with screen protectors and a protector for your watch as well. So we're going to keep going through this whole installation process. And while we are doing that, I once again have failed to bring my knife into this room with me. Like, this just came off the truck, just came off. So, all right, let's see what we got here. So we got a tempered glass screen protector that bounced over here somewhere. This is going to be for the watch itself, goes into that face to protect it. And these are the actual protectors themselves. So these pieces are going, I'm gonna hold this up. I'm still like multitasking, y'all. So these pieces are gonna fit over the face. Ooh, that's clean. That is clean. I like the way it snaps on. Now, how easy is it to get off? Oh, and it pops right off. So these are really, that's awesome. They just snap right on over the face. Gonna give you that level of protection, but I do want to be able to see. I bought this color, this variation for a reason, because I want to be able to see that silver. Now I do have the titanium Apple Watch Ultra, of course, and I've had this one since it came out, but I want to be able to see that. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna restore from my old watch. As mentioned, I do have the Classic 6 as well. Okay, and I guess I missed I don't think there was a screen in that one, unless it's like in here somewhere. Was this one open? I'm not sure, but I didn't see a screen inside this one. This is the clear protection, and there you go. Now I'm not sure if I don't know if I'm digging that one. It's kind of shiny. Like, I don't know if I'm digging that one. Let's keep going, shall we? The Alpine Clear. Ooh, I might be digging this one. That's like a matte finish, and you got to pull from this side over here, not the side where the buttons are, but you put it on from the side where the buttons are and snap in place. Now I kind of am feeling that one a little bit more. I like this color, but I like this one too. Still lets me see that color that I purchased back behind there. But I may just be rocking this like without anything on it, honestly. But I like these, I like them a lot. I'm gonna drop a link below. You'll be able to check these out for yourself. But for right now, since this is brand new and I wanna be able to see it, I wanna be able to know what's going on, I'm gonna keep it just like that. We do have our charger right here. Move those out of the way. And it is magnetic, but it's still not strong enough to hold that watch. Like, it's barely holding on, but that is it. It's charging. It came on 84%, so we like that. All right, so we got it all together. It is connected. It is 100% ready to use. And of course, in Galaxy Watch fashion, you always have to go through all the prompts and things like that. It'll take you through what to do and what not to do. Now, what I am going to miss is that rotating bezel. I don't need to go through all that. I'm going to miss that rotating bezel. So now everything is just swipe. Yeah, looks like everything is just swipe. Yep, so we gotta add some tiles. But let's go ahead, make that move. Apple Watch Ultra to the side, Galaxy Watch Ultra on wrist. Let's see how it feels. So I can tell you right now, it is actually lighter than the Apple Watch Ultra, but I like that look. I like that feel. Let's go ahead and swipe through some of the wallpapers or the faces so we can see what we got. And these are all classic faces, and majority of them can be customized. Let's see what we have that's featured. It says this is featured. So simple, save, and there we go. So these are some of the featured wallpapers: ultra, analog, simple, ultra, spatial, number, and we'll just pop one on and just see what it changes to. Okay, I don't know if I'm feeling that. It looks like a big forehead. Simple, digital. Let's just try. We're gonna throw a blue one up there. Boom. I kind of like that. I'm feeling it. Ultra info board. This is a lot going on the screen. So let's see. There's a lot going on. And these things, you can actually interact with them. Let's go back. You can interact with everything that's going on this screen. It's a ton of different things we can do with this device, with this display. And I'm here for it. So my first impressions of this device. Number one, I like the unboxing experience. That is really bright on my arm. We got to change that. We're gonna put a black face. Let's see. There we go. So I can tell you right now, it's really light on my arm. It's lighter than the Ultra, which that's saying something, because the Ultra's not, you can tell it's there. That's the biggest thing. The band, you know how I feel about bands. As long as the band does not pinch my arm or bother the hair on my arm, I'm a fan of it. And I like this band. It's almost the same, pretty much the same material as the Apple Watch Ocean bands. So I like that a lot. The clasp, nice and sturdy. I like those. And the screen is bright and vivid. It's a really nice display. Now, I haven't heard any sound from this watch, and I'm interested to see, because with me updating from a recent version of my 6, I gotta see if any of my sounds ported over. So let's just see. Sounds and vibrations. Doesn't look like it. Ringtone volume. Let's turn that up first. Oh my God, my my Power Rangers. It came over. Okay, so all of my custom ringtones ported over. There we go. Stop right there. That's all we need. All my custom things look like they ported over. Oh God, there we go. Jetson's doorbell. It ported over from my old watch. We have a lot of issues with adding our stuff. Hopefully we won't this time. I'm gonna do a video. Like, I'm getting to work on adding tones and stuff to this thing right now. So yeah, first impressions, I like what I see. I like the way it feels. I mean, I can't say much more about it. It looks stunning. I like it. Looks like a real piece of jewelry. You know where you can pick this up at. If you want to go get one, if you've seen the reviews and you like it, you haven't seen my review. And of course, we got a review coming for this device down here very shortly. Stay tuned. We got them both now. So we'll be doing some comparisons and some things. So just stay tuned. Keep it locked in. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.